I want to welcome you back to another episode of Bob Montego. In recent times, I've heard lots of people online, it seemed to be more and more, trying to say Jamaica is something other than a out of many one people. I've heard people try to ridicule the idea of out of many one people. Um, well, I'm happy to tell you we are out of many one people, whether or not we like it. Jamaica is a multi-ethnic country, it is a multicultural country, it's a multi-social country, and it's a multi-religious country, and it's multi-other things. Um, but that's just the fact. Multi-ethnic, we do have people from Africa. We are Afro-Jamaicans. We are Euro-Jamaicans. We are, Asian Jamaicans, Afro-Jamaicans. We have people from Ghana, from Nigeria, from Benin, from Cote d'Ivoire, from Congo, from different parts of Africa. We have people from Europe, the people that colonized us, the British. We have the Irish. We have in us. We have Scottish. We have Welsh. We have Spanish. The Spanish were in Jamaica before the British. There's remnants of the foods left behind. There's evidence. You can't you can't deny those things. To try to make us other than what we are is just not it's not practical. We're multi-religious. We have Christians in Jamaica. We have Catholics in Jamaica. Catholics sometimes identify as Christians, Catholic, whichever. We are what we are. We have Hindus in Jamaica. We have Buddhists in Jamaica. We have Muslims. We have Jews. We have Rastafarians. We have um, different groups. People, we are what we are. It's not a bad thing to say we are multi anything. We are out of many one people. Now, I do understand the idea that in truth we are mostly Africans in descent. We are mostly Christian by religion and so forth. But we are not a monolithic group of people, meaning we're not a people who are only one of anything. We are multi this. When I was a boy, um, in Montego Bay, I remember, like Chinese club. Anyone who's from Montego Bay will remember Chinese club near the ice factory on Creek Street. I would go there to watch like Chinese celebrating New Year's, their Chinese New Year's Day, and they would name the year of the dragon or year of the whatever or whatever. Um, but I do remember that. I've gone to Indian celebrations, celebrating different things. Some of them I can't remember what they were, but and tried different Indian foods and stuff like that. I've seen. I think I remember, or at least seeing, celebration from what are they? Lebanese celebration. And if I'm not mistaken, I've seen Syrian celebration too, because I think Lebanon was actually part of Syria before the war. So I think I do remember. But the point is, guys, we are out of many one people, and we should be proud to not be a monolithic group. It is not a bad thing, and we're not insulting anyone when we say that. We should be proud of that because, yes, we are out of many one people, and that's how our culture came about. Popular culture. They don't think that ackee and saltfish just pop up out of the scene from nowhere. There's a reason we mix the ackee and the saltfish, and that's a video for next time. But there's a reason we eat escabeche fish. Don't think we just pop up those things as part of our cuisine. They came from somewhere else. You understand? There's a reason why we mix bully beef and cabbage. We mix. You understand? There is a reason for those things. There's a reason we eat dukuno. You see, there's a reason we eat cornmeal porridge a certain way. All those things come from the mixture of our background, right? The multicultural, the multi-ethnic, the multi-social, the multi-religious, and social, multi-social. We are multi-social. Some people are rich and some people are poor. You understand? We have different people are from different stratas of life, you know. So be proud of who you are. When we say out of many one people, we mean out of many ethnicities, out of many cultures and many religion, we created one nationality, and the nationality is Jamaican. Just so you're not confused about what nationality is or what the one is. The oneness is about the nationality. Thank you for watching Bob Montego, and if you have not yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, and tell someone about my videos. And leave a comment, and try to be respectful, please. I know some people differ in their opinions, but opinions are opinions. We are entitled to our opinions, but we're not entitled to our own facts. Thanks again for watching.